Okay, so I picked up this extreme cold weather, latest gen, off shopgoodwill.com, the Parka. And figured I'd use it for a work parka. They're really warm, and even if it's like an underlayer. But had this burn spot, and there's another spot I didn't end up patching, but it's pretty small. And so basically I found this on eBay, already used, only came with that big 3x12 patch, and the other little patches were already used. And followed the instructions. I wound up just not using the alcohol pad that came with it. I just took some IPA, I think it's 70% isopropyl alcohol, wiped down really clean, made sure it dried really well, made sure the temperature is correct, cut, and I extended this area over beyond an inch. I wanted to test this little area to see if it'd work if I didn't, and it's holding up. This has been about a year, so seems great. So like, subscribe, comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, and have a good one.